Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Kari Oi Cracks Crabs. Today we're making wontons! Okay, so my videos are normally about cracking crabs, but there's only so much crack you can handle. These are the ingredients you'll need. I hate myself. First, you'll need the wonton skin. Next, you'll need a pack of Instax mini film, some Worcestershire sauce. It's optional. Only if you're rich you can afford this. Okay, some garlic salt, some regular salt, and then some pepper, some green onions, aka scallions. And last but not least, a brick of crab. Now, you may think that this is real crab, but here's a little FYI. Imitation crab is not real. It's actually imitation. But don't hate, it is okay to imitate, so we don't eat our friends here. PETA. First thing you want to do is put your cream cheese in a bowl. Add about, like 2 hard shakes of garlic salt, 3 half shakes of pepper. And then if you want to do Worcestershire sauce, just kind of like do whatever feels right. Just sort of mash it all up in there. And then you want to get your crab sticks, insert them into the bowl. You know, sometimes they come pre-wrapped in the plastic and then you can just eat the plastic. It's like white rabbit candy. I'm just kidding. You're gonna have to shred the crab. But here's a little tip. Get a scissors and just fucking cut them off. Really big help if you have fingernails. But if you no more fingernails, then just use your thumb. Here, check out this thumb action now. Okay, so after you work that thumb action, yeah, you're just gonna mix it all together. The ratio of crab to cream cheese. It's based on your personal preference. Just gotta go with your heart. So I kind of overshot them a little bit. You don't need that crab. So once you got it all looking like this, and I think you gotta add a little bit more garlic salt. And then you're gonna get your green onions and then just cut them right inside. Here comes the fun part. We're gonna take our little wonton wrappers and then we're gonna stuff them with the crab and the cream cheese. You're gonna take the powder side down, put it in your hand. In the middle of the wonton wrapper, at a 45-degree angle, you're gonna put 1 ounce of crab and cream cheese. No more, no less, otherwise you're gonna die. Take a little bit of water. And then just wet the edges. You just wet one edge and then the perpendicular side. And then you're gonna take one end and then just make them kiss. Press down on the edges and then you have a beautiful triangle. When you are done, you should have a plate full of beautiful triangles. And there you go.